AMC stock explode 834% and it crashes down 74% right after it. So, will AMC stock go big or go home with us? Hi buddy, let's talk about AMC Entertainment Holdings, ticker symbol AMC. In this video, you will discover number 1, how AMC makes money as a business, and number 2, the unknown fact that you never know about AMC, and number 3, is it a good time to buy right now, and number 4, what is my personal action and opinion regarding AMC. So, how AMC makes money? For AMC business, it is currently the largest theatre operator in the world. And the growth has been driven by organic growth through investment and acquisition of companies in the industry. The business is currently operating in both US markets and international markets. Based on financial reports, I found that currently AMC have 636 theatres in United States itself and around 368 theatres in international markets, and most of them are from the Europe region. Based on AMC business strategy, the management intend to transform AMC into a world-class leader in terms of customer engagement. And number 2, the management intend to deliver the best in-person experience while at AMC theatres. The management also intend to expand through opening of new build theatres and continued exploration of small acquisitions. These are the pictures that represent AMC typical business. This is the AMC building itself, and this is the place whereby people buy movie tickets, popcorns, and even hot dogs. And this is the movie theatre itself whereby we watch movies over there. I still remember many years back when I was still studying in the United States, I've been to AMC, and indeed the sofa is huge and comfortable. So how AMC makes money as a business? Based on the financial reports, we observe that all the revenue are theatre related sales like admission ticket sales into the movie theatre, food and beverage like hot dogs, popcorn, and etc., followed by the fees to enter other theatre. Let me share with you some unknown facts about AMC that you never know. The following risk factors are mentioned by AMC management itself to all existing shareholders. The management states that we will require significant amounts of additional liquidity, and there is substantial doubt about our ability to continue as a going concern for a reasonable period of time. Holders of our stocks could suffer a total loss of their investment out there. Let me share with you the main point. At the existing cash burn rate, the company anticipates that existing cash resources would be largely depleted by the end of 2020 or early 2021, which is right now. Although the company is actively continuing to explore additional source of liquidity, the company is unable to determine at this point of time whether any of these potential source of liquidity will be available to it, or if even available. Basically, the management is saying that they are not sure how long can a business sustain at this current situation. The management also states that the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted their business and will continue to adversely affect their business, theatres, results of operations, and liquidity. The COVID-19 pandemic has had and will continue to have a significant and adverse impact on their business. Currently, all theatres worldwide temporarily suspended operations. And during this period, AMC generated only immaterial revenue. Thirdly, the management states that our substantial level of indebtedness and our current liquidity constraints could adversely affect our financial conditions and our ability to service our indebtedness, which could negatively impact your ability to recover your investment in the common stock. We have a substantial amount of indebtedness which requires significant interest payment. As of 30th September 2020, we and our subsidiaries had 5.5 billion aggregate principal amount of indebtedness outstanding. Basically, AMC management is saying that AMC currently have huge debt on hand, and this could negatively impact current shareholder of AMC stock.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
On a side note, I really feel that the AMC management is very honest to all its shareholders about the current situation they are going through right now. Regarding the revenue itself, it has been consistently growing, which is pretty good, from 2,400 to around 5,400 for the last 10 years, which is pretty consistent. Next, let's look at net income. However, the net income has been very inconsistent, has been negative, positive, and back to negative again. And in the last few financial quarters, AMC is facing a huge loss, as you can see over here. And I believe this is due to the COVID-19 lockdown, whereby people are not supposed and are not allowed to visit any movie theaters worldwide. Regarding earnings per share, it is inconsistent as well, and this is something we have to take note. For free cash flow, AMC is pretty inconsistent, and for the last few financial quarters, AMC cash flow is burning at a rapid rate. I wonder how they sustain their business going forward. Regarding the number of shares out there, based on Morningstar data, I do not see any massive share dilution out there. Therefore, I think it's pretty healthy as of now. Regarding the debt to equity ratio, I realized that there is a huge negative, which means the amount of liabilities is much higher than the assets in AMC itself, which means AMC currently have a huge amount of debt on hand, and it is a very big dangerous sign for us. Do note that most businesses went bankrupt is not because they are loss-making, it is because they have huge amount of debt that they are unable to pay. Therefore, they are being forced to declare bankrupt. Based on the ownership breakdown, we realized that the general public own around 90% of the whole AMC, and this will cause the market to be very volatile. Moreover, the individual insiders of AMC own less than 1% of the whole company. Therefore, it shows that they have less skin in the game to bring the business to the next level. So far, based on my observation, AMC are using huge amount of debts to sustain its business for the last few years. Regarding the stock price of AMC, it has exploded 834% during January 2021, and it has crashed 74% the next month during February 2021. So why did the stocks even shoot up? I believe you knew that one of the major reasons that AMC stocks shoot up is because of Wallstreetbets community in Reddit itself. For the last few months, this very hot Wallstreetbets community has been discussing about what stocks to buy in order to drive out the hedge funds from the Wall Street and make money out of them. And AMC indeed is one of the stocks that this Wallstreetbets community has been discussing. On 29 January 2021, even after the plunge, GameStop and AMC stock remain the Reddit darlings. And based on this article, it mentioned that GameStop and AMC stock were by far the most discussed stock on the discussion group itself that has fueled their recent surge, with both continuing to enjoy overwhelming positive sentiment within the community. Based on this article on 16 February 2021, AMC rips 8% higher as Reddit traders stick to their favorite meme stocks, which is AMC. So, is it a good time to buy right now? And what is my personal action and opinion regarding AMC? First of all, I feel that the management of AMC is definitely honest and upfront, which I really respect them. And secondly, I feel that the management is trying their way out to turn around AMC business. However, they do share that right now they are facing tough competition like YouTube, Netflix, and even movie live streaming app out there. Moreover, the management do admit that currently they are facing some cash flow issues. And AMC is currently having very high amount of debt, and there is a risk of being default. It is not a good long-term investment based on my opinion. And most importantly, I personally realized that most current shareholders are using AMC as a tool instead of an investment. So the golden question right now, did I buy AMC stock? Most of you will think that after my research, I will not buy AMC stocks as an investment. And you are right. I did not buy AMC stock as an investment, but I bought AMC stock. I bought AMC stock. I bought AMC stocks not as an investment, but to support our retail investors out there. And I'm very clear on my objective. So do not follow. As usual, I want to be very transparent and open with you. I hope you appreciate it, my subscribers. The following are my AMC trade regarding the date, time, and even my average price for your reference. Once again, I did not buy AMC stock as an investment. Therefore, I'm prepared to lose my AMC trade, which is less than 1% of my portfolio. I highly suggest that you do not follow unless you are prepared as well. Anyway, do comment down below to share with us whether AMC stock is a good long-term investment for you, so that we can discuss further in the comment section below. I hope you truly benefit from this sharing. Do subscribe to this channel so that you can receive more valuable content from us and we can profit from the stock market together. Do watch this video to discover how you can consistently profit from the stock market. I will see you there.